right along with this tutorial, I purchased this palette from Blaqe Cosmetics. It is an Instagram brand. This palette right here is the Blaqe Power palette by Blaqe Cosmetics. All colors in here were inspired by historical black women into the black cultures. So the colors are as follows. Marsha PJ, which is that pink color, which was a gay activist for self-identifying as a drag queen who advocated for gay rights in the 1960s. We have Janelle C, which is Janelle commissioning the first black queen to crown Miss Universe. And we have Madam C.J. Walker, the first millionaire and philanthropist. We all know Madam C.J. Walker in the movie, and you guys should know who that is. Next color is Christina J, which is Christina Jenkins, which is the first queen to create hair weaving methods. And we also have Sarah S, which is Sarah Spencer, which is a color I did not use today. And she was one of the many females who was an entrepreneur who was best known for the apex empire of beauty community cosmetology schools and products in the 1900s. We also have Annie M, which is that bronzy color today. And Annie M is Annie Malone. So she was one of the first beauty industry entrepreneurs that was known for developing the hot comb in the 1900s. Then we have Ebates Walker, which is that Ebates WC, which is that purple color. And last name is Johnson. That's what the J stands for. So Ebates Walker Johnson, which was known for Ebony Fashion Fair, which highlighted African American women worldwide in the 1950s. And then we have Beverly J, which Beverly J was the first, one of the first to be, which is Beverly Johnson, let me just say that, which was one of the first to be featured on Vogue magazine in the early 1970s. So all of that is combined, all this historical entrepreneurship, money, millionaire, inventions is all on my eyelids. So let's go on ahead and get this tutorial popping. The first color I'm going to go into is called Ebates WJ. I was going to say WC. Ebates WJ. And we're going to pop that right into the crease here. Now the next color we're going to go into is called Christina J, and it's this beautiful teal looking color, and we're going to apply that on the outskirts with a fluffy brush of that other color, and we're going to start to blend this up and in. Then as per usual, if you feel like you've lost a lot of that color, just go ahead and apply that back in there, and then do the intensity and the blending so it looks all nice and seamless. So once you got that done, it should look something like this. And now go ahead and get your Vaseline or whatever you're going to use to clean up your crease. It does not have to be Vaseline. I use Vaseline because it's easier on my eyelids and it doesn't dry them out. Okay? So get your Q-tip, some Vaseline, or some alcohol. Just cut the crease, okay? We'll cut it all the way. So now let's go ahead and start filling in the blank pieces with your base. I'm using P. Louise, and we're just going to fill that in. Now with the flat brush, you're going to go into Beverly J, and you're going to pop that about right here. Trust me, pop it right here, okay? Now we're going to go back into Ebates and pop that right here. And keep building that up until we get the darkness that we want, and then blend it together with the orange. At this point, you can take off the tape if you want to. You don't have to. You can leave it on. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave mine on. Now, the next color I'm going to go into is Madam CJ. And I'm going to pop that right here in the intercorner. And then after that, we're going to line the eye from here to here, just from corner to corner. We're not going to wing it out. But if you want to, you can do that too. But I'm going to keep mine pretty tight right here to right here. Now for my eyeliner, I am not going to go full blown on black. I'm going to use this yellow by Inglot, and you can use whatever eyeliner you want to use, but I'm using this yellow. So pop that right into the waterline. Now for the waterline, I'm going to be applying Christina J, Marsha PJ, and Janelle C. So first we're going to put Christina J here. Then right next to that color, we're going to apply Marsha PJ. Then for the final color right here next to the intercontour, we're going to apply Janelle C. This time I did not forget to put my lashes on, so today I'm going to be using these Kiss lashes. So this time I didn't forget to put my lashes. I believe that this look looks very bright and vibrant, and I like the fact that I chose to go with yellow this time for my eyeliner. The fact that the palette is based upon iconic black women into our history, our American history, period, poo. And I thought the packaging was uber cute for the little fist, and black is that spelled the traditional way. So I think it, all in all, is a very creative palette. Now, so far as the colors go, the colors blend seamlessly. I didn't have any problems with it. I didn't have a ton of fallout. I'm quite surprised at the orange color on my eyelids. This is one of the brightest oranges that I've ever had so far today. I did think that the fist was going to be a little bit bigger than what it is, but you know, it's a nice size. Your pan sizes in here are about a size of a quarter, so you get pretty good amount of eyeshadow in here if you are not very heavy-handed or you keep shadow for a long time. This would be a nice collection to put into your makeup bag.